What's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I uploaded. I took some time off to try to figure out what I'm gonna do next as far as the channel. I'm always working on figuring out what content to bring you guys, what you guys want to see. So today I decided I'm gonna give you guys a POV view of my car, man. How it drives, the feel of it. No complaints here at all, guys. I've had this car for almost 2 years now and never had no issue, never had no problems. Maintenance costs is, other than the oil change here and there, there's really, no maintenance costs. I haven't had to repair anything on this car. This car has been very, very reliable, man. Anyway, let's get to the POV. Oh man, it's hot. Let's take this baby for a ride. Yeah, man, this baby move. Let me see if I can do a pull right quick from. Let's do 4th gears, cause there we go. Yeah, so fourth gears is still spin, but not as bad as 3rd gear. But I'll try from 3rd gear and see how she does. But I love this car, man. This car is yeah, guys, she hauls ass, Again, I'm still on street tires, as you can see, but 3rd gear. Yeah. I can't wait, man. I can't wait till my I can't wait till my Mickey Thompson's comes in. But the car, even with the needles that I have on right now, it's still a 20-inch wheels, so my sidewall is not tall at all. Even though the wheels are, pretty light for what they are. But for the power that I'm making, guys, it's not enough, man. It's not enough. I did went on and ordered some VMS 17-inch drag pack wheels with chrome lips. I'm hoping to get my tires in, my Mickey Thompson Street R's. Those should come in, hopefully, by the end of next month. So that way, I can go to FL2K and see what she puts down. Ever since I got done with the building, never had a chance to take it to the track and get a time slip on her. But man, I'm telling you guys, I used to be home watching YouTube, watching guys, do horsepower mods, 500, 550, even 400 horsepower. It was a lot. And I used to always tell myself, man, as soon as I get an SS, that's exactly what I'll do. And of course, I had a Infinity. Between me and my girl, we've had 3 Infinity Q50. I had a Sport. She had one base model. We sold both those cars. I got the SS. She got a red Sport. But this is by far the best car I've driven. And not because it's mine, but I'm honestly, this is makes my heart jump every time I go to do a pull. This car's amazing, man. I didn't mean to put I'll go ahead and do one last pull. And then I'm done. She's not cooperating at all.